Hey everyone, how are you all? A warm welcome from Noble Techno School YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell math, okay? Well, you people guess what am I going to tell? Okay, what is this? It's something like a square, right? Yeah, and now I'm going to show you something. What is this? It's a book, and which shape? It is a rectangle shape, right? And what is this? A wall hanging? Yes, which shape is this? It's a triangle shape, right? And here you can just see it's a rectangle shape also. Yes. And tell me, what is the powder makeup sponge is? Which shape is this? It's a circle. Very good. And what is this shape? Which shape is this? This both. It's a cylindrical shape, right? Right. Yeah, you understood? Yeah. Yes, today's topic is we are going to learn about shapes and spatial understanding. What spatial understanding? Before telling you that, I'll show you a quick activity. Okay, tell me before an activity, I'll just tell me why you people are not going outside. Why are you not going outside? Why are you not going to school, or why are you not coming to school? It is just because now a disease called coronavirus or COVID-19 is spreading very fast, right? So you people are not going to school, right? Yes. And if any emergency, if you go outside, what do you see? People are wearing different colors of mask and different shapes of mask also, right? Yes. In such way, even I'm having one mask. It is a, which shape is this? It's a rectangle shape, right? Yes, you can just see many shapes of mask. It will be a circle, triangle, right? And it will be square also. Yeah. Yes, many different kinds of shapes will be having. Yeah. Okay, I'll do a small quick activity. You can just see. Okay, you can take one paper, one flat paper. Okay, you just cut it as a square shape, and I'm having a box here. You can take your pencil box. Okay, you can take a pencil box. I'm just keeping this paper on the box. Yeah. Okay, I'll just tell you here. This is, you can just see, can you identify something here? Yeah. Yes, this is a flat and this is a fluffy, right? It is raised and it is a fluffy. Yes, whenever you see anything which is flat surface, it is flat shape of thing, then it is a 2D. And if you see any fluffy and raised, that is 3D. Understood? Yeah, I'll tell many still example. Okay, see, you're seeing some shadow here. Yeah, this is raised and fluffy, and you can just see the shadow under this box, right? Yes, if you see any kind of shadow in a shape, then that is a 3D. So you will understand very easily. See, if you keep it this flat surface, no shadow will not come. If shadow doesn't form, then it is 2D. If shadow forms, that is 3D. And another one thing I'll tell you, this flat surface, I said it is 2D and it is a 2-dimension. Okay, and this is a 3 dimensions. Okay, which is 3 dimension? 3D shape is 3 dimensions and 2D shapes is 3 dimensions. You understood? So I'll tell you very brief about 2D and 3D shapes. So let's go ahead and see as very soon about 2D and 3D shapes very briefly. Okay. Yeah. So, shapes and spatial understanding. You know the shapes: circle, square, triangle, rectangle, circle. These are the shapes. Now tell what is spatial understanding. You are having here in the the word is only able to understand. Spatial means space. Okay, what is it? Spatial means it's a space which the object occupies. What? Space which the object occupies. Understood? Example: sofas. The sofa is occupying the space. That is called a spatial understanding. We are going to learn about the spatial understanding also, and about shapes also. We are going to learn 2D 3D shapes also. Okay, so let's go forward now. Yeah, difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, as I said, I showed you a paper of square. It's a flat shape. Yeah, yes, it has 2 dimensions. It doesn't form a shadow. Do not form a shadow. All plane shapes like triangle, rectangle, squares are 2D shapes. Okay, and raised and fluffy. It is 3D shapes will be always fluffy. Okay, it will be very fat, and it is 3 dimensions. Okay, and it forms a shadow also. Yeah, yes, and all the solid shapes are 3D. Okay, tell me, what are the solid shapes? I said you all plane shapes, and what are the solid shapes here? I showed you a cylinder, yeah, cylindrical shape. I showed you mug, yeah, that is a, and I showed you a water bottle, even that is also a cylindrical shape. Yeah, cylindrical shape, cuboid, cube, these are the solid shapes. Okay, done. So now we'll just you understood what is the difference between the 2D and 3D. So we'll just go for the quick activity of 2D and 3D. Yeah, yes, yes. Now I'll just show you one picture. It is one room, and you have to list it the objects and tell which is 2D and which is 3D. Yeah, okay. Now I'll just make it a little bit broad. Yeah, so now font is okay, right? Yeah, so tell me, sofa is 2D or 3D? Can sofa get a shadow? Yeah, yes, it is a 3-dimensional shape, right? And it is a solid shape also, so then it is a 3D shape. The a plant in a pot, it is a shadow. Yeah, it is a 3D. Wall hanger is a 3D. Window is a 3D, right? These all you have to do it, which is 2D and 3D. Okay, this the book rack, television, drawer, switch. Yes, these are 3D. And what about the carpet? The switch is 2D. And what is the switch is also 3D. And what about the carpet? It is flat. I said all the flat surface, shapes are 2D. I said. So what about carpet? Even that is also flat, right? So whether it is a 2D or 3D, what it is? Yes, it is a 3D. Why so? You said you can tell, ma'am. You said the flat shapes are all 2D. Then how come you're telling? You should ask the question. So it is why means if you roll carpet, then you'll get a shadow, right? Yes, yes, you're getting shadow. Then it is a 3D shape. Yeah, understood? Yes. Then so now we are going to learn about shapes. Okay, so yeah, so now let's I'll give examples about 2D shapes. These are the 2D shapes. Okay, first is your rectangle, square, triangle, right? Yes, these are the plane shapes. So first we'll go with the square. Okay, tell me example for the square. Yeah, tell me the example. Square, chessboard, carom, tails, right? Yes, right? Yes. So tell me this, square, it has how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 sides it is having, and all the both diagonals are equal. Okay, do you know what is diagonal first? It is a line connect to the 2 opposite sides. What? It is a line which connect to the 2 opposite side. You can just see here. Okay, yeah, this is the square. Yes, you can see here. All R has 4 sides, 4 corners. All sides are equal, and diagonals also equal. Next is rectangle. So rectangle example, book, table. Yeah, these are the your box, pencil box. Those are the examples of rectangle. Rectangle have 4 sides. Yes, and 2 diagonals, 4 corners. Yes, Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, and opposite sides are equal. Okay, both diagonals are equal, right? Yes. Next, triangle. This is 2D shapes. Okay, plain shapes. I'm telling this. Okay, properties of 2D shapes. Yes, then triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. Yeah, 3 sides, right? Yes. Next, and 3 corners also. Next is circle. Okay, tell me, how many sides and corners do you have in a circle? Do you have anything in circle? No, right? Yes, they have no sides and no corners in circle. Yes, understood? Yes, this was about the 2D shapes what I completed. You understood the properties of the 2D shapes? Yeah. Yes, that was the 2D shapes. So in our next class we are going to learn about 3D shapes and the examples of the 3D shapes and the properties of 3D shapes. Okay, for next video please be watching our YouTube channel and subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. Okay, wait for our next video. Thank you.